Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. My name is Ahmadou Diop, and I am a PhD student in Laboratory of Materials and Energetics in University Institute of Technology in Thies, Senegal. Today, I want to go to share with you my work titled "Use of Soil Typha Materials to Enhance Local Materials and to Improve the Energy Efficiency in buildings in tropical area." And by doing this work, I want to go to share with you the following content. I will start with an introduction, and I will talk about the material and method that I have used for characterization, and I will talk about how do I have to make formulation of the samples, and after the result and discussion. To remember you, Diamniadio is a town located in about 35 kilometers from Senegal's capital, and this town is taken right now to be the new town of Senegal because it has as objective to decongest Senegal's capital. But the main problem of this region is its soil is very rich in clay. And the other problem is we have found in Senegal a vegetable called Typha australis. And this vegetable has some thermal properties which is very important, as you can see in figure 2. And in figure 1 you can see the soil collected from Diamniadio. And the following picture show you the area occupied by the Typha australis in Senegal. As you can see, all green colors shows you that the area where we can find the Typha australis. So it is very present in north of Senegal than the rest of the country. That's the reason why also right now Senegalese government and Mauritania government have working to a same plan for finding solution to fight against the proliferation of these plants. And as you can see always here in this photo, to show how does the Typha is growing in area where people are practicing rice culture. And this is very dangerous for this population because right now they are going to lose their lands. And for doing this job, I have used many types of materials as cathode apparatus for to have an idea about the index of plasticity and the sieve particle analysis and the press and asymmetrical hot plan, as you can see here in this photo. And for the formulation, I have made two types of formulation. The first one is parallelepiped samples for characterization of thermal properties, and the cylindrical samples for mechanical characterization. And the proportion that I have used for its formulation is also described in this paragraph. And I have used the three materials. The first formulation is only built by Typha and by only soil of Diamniadio and water as a reference formulation to have an idea about all properties, thermal properties and mechanical properties of the soil alone. And the second and the third formulation are built by using Typha australis, soil of Diamniadio and water with a right proportion, as you can see in the paragraph. And after this formulation, I have found the following result. The first one is the shrinkage rate. As you can see here, for soil of Diamniadio alone, you can see about 29.19%, but it is decreasing when we add again Typha australis. And the Atterberg limit also is shown by this curve, and it is equal to 20.47. That means the soil of Diamniadio is plastic. And as a result is the density of the composite materials. For Typha, for soil alone, we can see the density is very high, and if we add Typha australis, the density is also decreasing. And also this same phenomenon is seen for thermal conductivities. When we add again Typha australis, the thermal conductivity also will be decreased. And here, for example, we have represent a curve talking about the superposition of thermal and mechanical resistance. As you can see also, the thermal resistance is going to be increased when we add again Typha, but the mechanical resistance is going to be decreased. So we have to find an equilibrium between thermal resistance and the mechanical resistance for building materials with a high property of energy efficiency. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is all that I have to share with you for this presentation. And if you have any question, you can contact me directly. It was very, very a great project for me. Thank you very much.